Hello YouTube, we broke our cheap fly swatter, probably 98 cents. We're gonna first super glue it, and we might put some foil tape on. We've done that before. We've had them break like way out in here, and we made a smaller fly swatter. The flies are bad, there's big ones. There's some have gotten through this old house. They've gotten through my storm window in my living room. And then through the other window. Do not ask me how they do that. They're not coming through the door because I've seen them in between the two windows. They are very bad. It is hot. It is going to be upper 90s today with a lot more humidity. Flies will bite when it's going to rain. Flies will bite when it gets hot and humid. They keep promising some rain in a day or so, but you can't sit outside and do anything. If you try to take a break, they'll start coming around you. When you're busy doing something, grinders or something, but we're starting for video content. There, just tell the truth. When it's this hot out, I don't feel like doing much. We'll super glue it and we'll be back. We'll see if it'll hold enough to get it taped. Okay, here's my quick tip with super glue. When you're done using it, of course you're using that nozzle in there. Watch it flow back down in there. Wipe the very tip off and then put the cap on, because there is a little tip in there that plugs that hole. And I have used this glue a dozen times without it messing up. All it takes is one time to mess up, then it's gone. And then you're poking toothpicks in there or something to get the glue to come out. And I'm on my last tube and the city's a long ways away. Now we're going to put some foil tape on it for strength, which is way better than using masking tape. And we got our emergency nail polish remover. We glue our fingers together and we got a rag ready. Always have your emergency get your finger unstuck liquid. There you go. Okay, let's put some foil tape on it. Okay, now we're going to tip to fold this tape over on the other side. Before you lay it down, you can trim it before you put it down, because we're just trying to get enough on there to hold this. We'll be probably covering the whole bottom of this. We just don't want a whole gob of it everywhere. You'll see what I mean. Okay, so I did this. I folded this way and then folded this in. So I got pretty close on how square a piece of tape to cut. This glue is still not really dry yet. Don't stick your fingers in it. We'll push out all the little wrinkles. Then we're going to cover it with one full strip back here. Stay tuned. This is exciting. So I'm doing this. Bring it up like this. See that? And then you're going to fold this in. It's going to be nasty on camera, but you know what I mean. I did a better job on this side. Okay. So I laid that across there. Now we're carefully going to cut this, slit this so it folds up. But I think this time we'll do the opposite. Remember, before we folded this in first, we're going to fold this in first. Just for the fun of it. It does not really matter. Then we're going to put one more across this way on this side. Is this too much instruction? Or are you just bored is why you're here? Okay, one more final piece this way and we'll be done. You can tell I fixed a lot of these over the years. They're only $1 and they're going to break. There. I think you know what I mean. So I cut that little piece like that and we'll just cut it off of there. And we are done. We are ready to go fly hunting. Die, fly, done. It's called load testing. See? This eventually they do. I've ended up cutting these off and making it smaller. But then you got to be a better aim. Cheap. This just happens when I lay around. It's probably a year old and they just disintegrate. Let that happen on camera. We're just going to trim that off, make it smaller. Then we'll take a picture of it to show you what it looks like smaller. Thanks for watching.